Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the difference between Podio client and employee. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. But before we get into the specifics, let's start with a question. What is Podio? Podio is a platform that allows you to create and sell online courses, memberships, and webinars. It's a great tool for entrepreneurs and creators who want to share their knowledge and expertise with the world. So, what's the difference between a Podio client and employee? A Podio client is someone who pays for a Podio subscription. They can use the platform to create and sell their own courses, memberships, and webinars. A Podio employee is someone who works for Podio. They are responsible for developing and maintaining the platform, as well as providing support to clients. So, which one are you? If you're someone who wants to use Podio to create and sell online courses, memberships, and webinars, then you're a Podio client. If you're someone who's interested in working for Podio, then you're a Podio employee. Now that we've cleared that up, let's take a closer look at the differences between Podio clients and employees. Podio clients. Podio clients have access to a number of features that allow them to create and sell online courses, memberships, and webinars. These features include a drag-and-drop course builder, a powerful membership site builder, a live webinar platform, an email marketing tool, a built-in payment processor, and much more. Podio clients also have access to a team of support specialists who are available to help them with any questions they have. Podio employees. Podio employees are responsible for developing and maintaining the Podio platform. They also provide support to Podio clients. Podio employees have a deep understanding of the Podio platform and its features. They are also experts in online education and marketing. So, which one is right for you? If you're someone who wants to create and sell online courses, memberships, and webinars, then Podio is a great platform for you. You can use it to create high-quality content that will help you to achieve your goals. If you're someone who's interested in working for Podio, then you need to have a strong understanding of the platform and its features. You also need to be an expert in online education and marketing. In addition to the differences mentioned above, there are a few other key differences between Podio clients and employees. Podio clients are responsible for their own success. They need to market their courses and webinars to potential students. Podio employees are responsible for the success of the Podio platform. They work to make sure that the platform is running smoothly and that clients are happy. Podio clients pay for a Podio subscription. Podio employees are paid a salary. So, which one are you? If you're someone who wants to create and sell online courses, memberships, and webinars, then you're a Podio client. If you're someone who's interested in working for Podio, then you're a Podio employee. I hope this blog post has helped you to understand the difference between Podio client and employee. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about Podio, please visit our website. If you're interested in working for Podio, please visit our careers page. With that said, thanks for watching.